There we go. Took the pin out. Where should I put this?
I'll hold it.
Hold that for me. Okay. Now you just want to take this pin. All right. Your pads should just pop out like that. Make sure to keep that little spring together. Don't lose that. That's pretty important. Want to hold that for me? And this pin. All right. And now for the trick, you want to be careful with this because these pads are made of ceramic. You could crack them technically. Actually, it might be better to get a different tool. Maybe like a... Actually, this might work. So the trick is to squeeze them while you push them. And basically, what'll happen... Oh. Try not to make them pop out more. What'll happen is these pads will go back inside. They move in and out so that they can adapt to wear on your pad. But sometimes if there's nothing in between, they'll move out and you won't be able to get your rotor in there, which is our case. You want to get a little tool here. Be careful, like I said, you don't want to crack these. You don't want them coming out further, because that'll just ruin your day. Just using a little bit of force, not too much, just a little bit of persuasion. Come on now. Oh, a little click is fine. Okay, might be able to try to fit the pads in there. I don't know if I did anything. Oh. See if these opened up a little bit.
You can slide them in through the top too.
I can?
Yeah.
Damn, hope breaks.
Fancy schmancy.
Bro, they're not going in. Don't tell me I move the pads out even more, bro.
It's the bike you're...
So yeah, just get it. You don't have to get it super tight. Just get it nice and snug. And then if you want to try to get that pin back.
We lost it.
We lost that? Okay. Well, we can find another one. It's a little metal pin that goes in here.
That's the one thing. You gotta keep the pin.
Okay. Now we gotta get the wheel back in. When you get it on, you want to pull this back. Place it on the last gear you were in. Pull it up. Make sure you get this rotor in between those pads. There we go. Okay, where's the fucking... Oh my god.
We're good. We're good.
Cut that part out. Yeah, get the axle in here. Okay. So yeah, just put that axle back in there. All right.
Yeah.
So your brake should work pretty decently now. Only thing is, because you move those pads around, there's a good chance your rotors will rub against your pads, and you don't want that. That'll wear them down. It'll also make you have this kind of noise. So what you want to do is you want to loosen your caliper real quick. While you're working your rotors, another thing to know is you want to keep your greasy fingers away from the rotor surface, because that could contaminate it and make it not work as well. So you'll notice that your calipers, where they bolt on, they have these slots. Allows it to move back and forth laterally based on wear of the pads. So you'll notice as I loosen these, you'll be able to move loosely side to side. Just a slight bit. You see that? So now what you want to do, you can basically just center it the best you can by eye. Get it spinning. See there's no rub there? Hold your brake in, and then tighten it. By doing this, you're getting those pads. You get those pads centered right over your rotor. Okay, I just want to get them nice and snug. They're your brakes, so they have to be pretty tight on there. They go through a fair bit of force. All right. So now the brake should work nice and good.
The bike is all set to go, and you're set to get on the trails. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it! Let's go shred the gnar!
Yeah.